good, team? It's your boy, Coach TTP, aka Mr. Train Progress. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, team? Yo. I got a special dope video for y'all. It's another Cooking with Chef TTP, okay? Now, the first two videos I've done cooking was basically me making eggs, right? I know, my famous, beautiful eggs. As you can see, you saw the progression between the first video and the second video, right? I'm gonna put the link to the videos right here. Go watch it if you haven't watched both of them, all right? This video, I'm making a grilled chicken pesto. Ooh, it sounds good, right? I know, because it is good. It was delicious, all right? So I had some help from, let me be real. It wasn't help. They did the whole thing. But it's okay. Let me show you what I'm looking at. My dog was wilding out. All right, but anyways, yes. So a grilled chicken pesto, all right? I didn't make it, but I was a good spectator, and yeah, now I know how to make it on my own if I wanted to do it, all right? So this video, I hope y'all learn how to make this. Enjoy this video. Hope y'all learn something, learn how to cook a chicken pesto for real, and just enjoy it. Nice short clip of me cooking. There's more to come, okay? With me cooking and the person who knows how to cook instructing me, all right? So enjoy this video. Peace. Oh yeah, hold up, wait a minute. For the new people who are watching right now, who wants to join the team, go ahead and subscribe and slap some game on that like button for me. And for the ones who have subscribed, welcome to the team. We growing. We're gonna be the biggest team on YouTube, all right? Inspire, motivate, and let's progress. Peace. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I am making a chicken peps. What? Chicken what? I'm making a chicken pesto.
Pesto.
Shit. I'm making a chicken pesto wrap. Alright? The gains. If y'all could feel the gains, comment down gains in the comments down below. A chicken pesto wrap. Check it out. Alright, y'all. As you can see, bam, my chicken, my grilled chicken pesto wrap. You know what I mean? Man, this is the games I'm trying to achieve. You feel me? During this TTP cut season, and more cooking with Chef TTP to come. Okay, even though I didn't cook this food, but I was a good spectator. But next time, I will be cooking the food for real. But you know what I mean? But until then, inspire and motivate.
You're lying.
You feel me? Peace.